Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Turn on your cameras. Good evening. Good evening.
Good
Good
evening,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, can you wait? Sir, if you excuse me for a moment, I need to get my notebook.
Yes.
Sir, this is doubt clarification session, right?
Yes.
Sir, I sent my doubts. Can you explain?
Yes.
SQL is sent, sir.
Yes. What about others?
Sir, means you sent the worksheets, na, sir. I'm not able to understand the questions, sir.
Which one?
I sent, sir, in WhatsApp.
Hmm.
You got it, sir?
So, 1 second.
Okay, sir. Factory quizzes also will be.
Yes. So 1 second.
Okay,
Let me share the screen now.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Where is your doubts?
Sir,
Foundation training.
sir, this all is, sir. Second one. Yes, sir. That's all.
So you are making me to solve all the questions. That day you just
Yeah.
made me to wait. The day you made me to solve 9, 10, 10 questions. Today you are making me to solve 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
They
9
are not able to
You,
understand,
you
sir.
do
What
you do
it-
wait, man. You do one thing. You send your
Okay.
question paper. I'll write and send it to you back. You again send it to
Understand.
me back. Okay.
Uh,
Huh? See,
yes.
1, 2 questions is fine, man. Like you're asking entire worksheet to me to solve. Then
Entire
what
worksheet
is it?
means not
Huh?
able to understand the questions, sir. That is the problem.
Okay. See, which question you did not understand? Tell me.
Sir, for this turtle, sir, I sent that is my
Hmm.
crop.
Okay. So in the figure, which congruency rule is used to prove that SQ
And
bisects PR?
this is SAS only, no, sir?
SQ is bisects PR. Yes. Tell me which congruency?
SAS I am thinking, sir, but it is correct or wrong. I'm not understanding.
Guys, how many of you solve these questions? How many of what about others? Everyone. 1 second. 1 second. Let me write this over here. Yes. 1 second. 1 second, guys. Who has posted that out? Math. I think we have solved this one. When it was.
Biology.
Okay, look at this. Everyone look at this. Have a look at this. See, guys, I'm asking you how many have you done with these questions? Everyone? How many have you done? Respond.
Sir, I cannot hear you. Can you speak louder?
See, what I'm trying to say here is how many have you done with these questions I'm asking? Here, many of you are joining late. See here, PQ. You have to, for proving SQ bisects PR, what kind of congruency rule we can apply over here?
Sir, I'm thinking SAS, sir. That is correct or
Sir,
wrong?
we can SA.
You need to tell me the reason. You cannot say simply yes, yes.
One is side and one is angle. So we can take SAS.
Sir, SQ is side and PR is the side and angles also, sir. That right angle dimension.
Okay.
That is
Okay.
SAS
Yes.
congruence.
So SR, SQ side, PR is a side.
PR is an angle, sir.
PR is the angle, sir.
PR is an angle. Okay, right angle. Fine.
And SQ is side.
Huh?
I think so.
I didn't get you.
Sir, I'm saying that PR is a
Simple. That is the reason. That is the reason. Look at this here, guys. 1 second. How many of you submitted the worksheet? We have done with the deadline. We have done with the deadline. How many have you done with that? 1 second. Before that, so that no one is answering, which means have you submitted or not? That's my question now. Guys, I'm asking you only how many of you submitted. I'm asking, but no one is responding. Worksheets. Oh, 0 members. No one has submitted. Why didn't you submit, guys? Hello, are you here?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking why you did not submit. I'm not saying that many of you are not dropping me a message every day. No, you guys are not solving your homework problems. I don't see anyone is no one is texting me after finishing your homework, which means what is the meaning of that? Which means did you guys finish your homework? Tell me. Hello. See, no one has submitted the worksheet here. No one, none of the children have submitted. 0 members. I don't see anyone submitted the homework. Tell me. Are you understanding my point or not? Tell me one thing.
Yes, sir.
How many of you submitted? How many of you didn't solve? How many of you solved? Tell me. One by one, raise your hands. Raise your hands.
Sir, raise a hand means those who have completed, they have to raise.
Yes, those who have finished, those have to, raise your hand. Hmm. Aditi, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Aditi, who is Aditi? Have you done?
Yes, sir.
How many questions you solved?
So I completed all, but in between two. Just a minute, so let me check.
Okay. How many questions you solved?
So I've completed 38 questions. Two like first I had done them wrong, but I've again done them. I just want to check them once more. I'll send the worksheets once my mother come back.
See here, what I'm asking here, you, as the 13th was the last date to submit your worksheet. I'm asking you how many of you submitted it, and none of you guys submitted. See, Ananya, you're saying you solved, but I don't see no one's picture out there. But why didn't you
Sir,
submit?
I haven't submitted it, sir, but I've completed the worksheet. I will submit it today.
Please submit it. See, everyone should submit, guys. Like, I should not see anyone like not submitting that. Everyone should submit. Everyone. Is it clear?
Sir, I have a little bit issue with my tab. It will get repaired day after tomorrow, so I'll submit it that time, sir.
Who is that?
Bhargav.
What's happening?
So like my tab is a little bit like it's not working, like it's broken. So
If your tab is not working, means
they're
you won't
fixing
submit.
it.
If you like, do you have phone, right? You have phone, right?
Sir, I don't have my own phone, sir.
You have, like, in your home, man.
My mother's phone, right, sir?
You can just open that and just solve the questions. Huh? Hmm?
Sir,
I'm asking, you can submit by using that, isn't it?
oh, okay, sir, I'll submit.
Uh,
Now I'll submit today.
then what about others? Aditya, Ayushman,
Yes, sir.
tell me what happened to you. Why didn't you submit?
Sorry, sir. I'll submit it today itself.
Why couldn't you submit on time? Why couldn't on time? Why? What's the reason behind making delay?
Sir, I will submit you tomorrow because I could not solve few questions because of my exams.
Okay, what about Aditi? Aditya?
Sir, I'm not understanding the question. That is why I'm not able to complete it.
Okay. What about Ananya? You solved all the questions, right?
Yes, sir, done. I just have to take the PDF and upload, sir.
Yes. Bhargav told. Okay. Devasri.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I need to do from eighth question I have to do, sir.
Okay. Tell me, how did you do fourth one?
Sir, I took the corresponding part, sir, first. And then 1 minute, sir. I'll just check once.
Ananya, how did you solve it? Look at this. You have to explain. If you solve, you will definitely
sir.
explain that. Yes, Ananya.
So question number 4, right?
Yes. Basically, which kind of congruency? Clearly, we have answer. In front of your eyes only, you have answer. Need not to. Yes.
So it's AAS congruency.
So in figure, why AAS?
Sir, the right, like we can take it as angle QPO is equal to angle SRO, and angle POQ is equal to angle SOR, and SR is equal to PQ. So by AAS congruency, triangle
AAS, angle,
Sir,
angle
have you
side.
teach AAS? I don't think so.
AAS also we have.
yes sir,
Yes.
we have AAS
Yeah,
congruency.
we have.
So for this question, I use RHS.
RHS also. Yes, 1 second. I'll ask all the children who have done with that. No problem. Ananya, please
So
complete.
RHS won't be, we won't be able to do it because hypotenuse is not proven that it's equal, sir. Only one of the sides is given.
Yes. One of the
Sir,
sides.
so
Yes, tell me.
so by AAS congruency, triangle POQ is congruent to triangle RSO. So from that we can say that PO is equal to OR.
PO is equal to R by using AAS. So you are using angle QPO and ORS, isn't it? By using this, so angle, and the side you are saying,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? Okay. Okay, yes, Q. Yeah, right. Angle, side. Okay, fine. What about Kavya ji? Tell me,
Sir, I
Kavya.
have a few questions pending, sir. Like
Tell
that,
me, how did
I've
you
done till
solve?
10.
How did you solve the fourth one?
Hold on, sir. Actually, I used the RHS, sir.
How?
Sir, because SQ bisect PR, right? So therefore, angle PO is equal to OR. I have one side, and then angle is 90 degrees, and then SR and PO are equal.
So SO bisects PR. Okay.
SO bisects PR. Therefore, PO is equal to OR.
Yes, Q bisects PR. Yes, PO is equal to OR. How do you say that immediately? RHS, by using RHS, right? Very few do you have hypotenuse here. If you consider SOR triangle, then you can consider SO as a hypotenuse. If you consider
Sir,
Q, yeah,
So can't we say that PR won't be bisecting SQ?
we can say he only told that. We have to prove that by using what? By using what? SQ is bisecting PR by using what? Congruency. That is what the question is all about. You used RHS. Okay, fine. Akshit, let us see. Akshit. Here PQ is equal to SR, isn't it? PQ is equal to SR. Akshit ji. Who is Akshit? Okay, he's not. Pranav, did you do this?
So which one?
Fourth one.
Yes, sir.
Huh. How?
Sir, I used angle side angle.
ASA.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Angle side angle. Tell me the reason.
Sir, we know that SRO, the angle SRO and QPO are equal as their right angles, and also side SR and side PQ are also equal. So, sir, based on this, we can assume that this PQ and SR are parallel to each other, and SQ can be the transversal. So, sir, that's
Sorry. Can you come back again? What are the equal, transversal?
So I said that. So based on this, we can say that that PQ and SR are parallel, and SQ is a transversal.
Yeah, both are parallel by using ASA. And what is your name? Kavya ji. Kavya.
Yes, sir.
So RHS, you can use ASA rule, angle sum, so angle side and angle for proving SQ is. And Strain, what did you say, Strain? Strain, how did you solve it?
Sir, yes, I'm thinking ASA, sir, because B is angle, R is angle, and SQ is side. So yes, I thought so, but listening, all are saying that AS or ASA or a- so I'm getting confused.
No. Tell me you ASA is right answer. Tell me what is that? What did you told me? What did you tell me actually?
Actually, SAS I told sir. Actually,
No.
I thought
That's not. Now you understand, right? How we are
yes,
saying
sir.
that
Now understood.
SQ is
Now,
by PR is bisecting like PR. No angle QPO and angle SRO. Both
yes,
are
sir.
angles here.
Yes, sir.
Now fifth one. Fifth one. Look at it in the figure. PQ is equal to PR. PQ
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to PR given. Yes.
Yes,
And
sir.
is equal to PS given. So PQ PR. Look at this here. Here this one and this one and this one. These three are equal. Then
Yes,
find
sir.
QRS.
R. So we should find
QRS.
angle R.
This one you have to find out. Yes. Hey, how simple it is, man. Tell me. How many of you done this? Very simple. Very simple. Now wait. Bhargav. Bhargav.
Sir,
Have you done this?
I lost connection for a while, so which question?
Have you solved this fifth one I'm asking?
PQ is equal to PR is equal to PS. PQ is equal to PR is equal to PS. Find angle QRS. So like I didn't solve the question, sir.
Jivika, what about you? Did
It's
you
a bit
solve
too
this?
hard.
Wait. Jivika. Jivika. Jivika, are you here? She is not responding. Okay. Devasri, what happened? You told that, no, let me check. Still, you are not responding. Devasri, how did you solve the fifth one? Hello? Are you here, Devasri? Tosnika, are you here?
Yes, sir.
How did you solve the fifth one?
So I couldn't solve it. That's why I joined this session.
Akshit, how did you solve this, Akshit? Hello? See here, you must tell me the answer. So no one has solved. What I am understanding is you guys are not responding. So what I understand is you guys are not solving that. See, now the people who has given, who has responded, they are saying that we have solved. But when I ask the question, no one is responding. Why? Which means what should I understand? Did you solve this or what? QR is simple, man. What is the 90 degrees? How many of you agree with my point? By looking at that, clearly I could say that.
The for fifth one, sir.
Sir, QRS is 90 degree, right? QRS.
Yeah, QRS or SRQ, both are same only.
Sir, is this which question, sir? Like,
I'm talking about fifth one.
Excuse me, sir.
How many have you done with that?
yes, I have done,
Sir,
sir.
Yes.
sir, sorry, sir. By mistakenly, I left the meeting. Sir, I are asking the fifth question, right, sir?
Yes.
Sir, I used the SSS congruency, sir.
Okay. SSS. Why?
Sir, sir, I did not get your question, sir.
No, I'm asking what is the reason behind using that? How did you solve that? Explain. Yes.
Sir, P and S are bisecting, right, sir?
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, P and 1 minute. Sir, P and Q, PQ is equals to PR, right, sir?
Hmm.
And QS and SR also equal.
Hmm. Yes.
PS and yes, sir.
No, I'm not writing what you are saying. You just explain your way.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hmm.
Actually,
Here, can I say triangle SP? Triangle SPR is similar to triangle PQR by using triple S, SSS. Why? Because PSC is equal to PR by using triple S. Can I say that, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here what?
yes.
Here PS is what? PS is bisects angle PQR. PS is what? Look at it. PS is bisects angle PQR. PS is bisects angle PQR by, like, from what? It's an angle bisector. By, if you think about angle bisector concept, here PS is bisecting angle PQR. PQR. PS is bisecting angle PQR. So by using this, by using triple S, we could say this 110% by it is 90 degrees. Very simple. By you immediately you can say the answer. Any doubts
Sir,
here?
actually, I solved it using SAS, sir.
How?
So, like, PR is the bisector of QS, right?
PR is the bisector of
QS.
huh?
Then angle RPQ will be equal to angle RPS
Angle RPQ will be
and equal to angle RPS.
yes.
Therefore, RP is equal to, therefore, I know the SAS, right? My two sides are RP and PQ and PS and PR.
Okay. Instead of doing that, simply he is asking for, can't you use triple S rule? Very simple, right? So this triangle and this triangle both are similar here. Why? Because he only given that PAQ is equal to PS and PR is a bisector of PQ, I mean SQ. So both triangles will be equal now. This is a common side for both the triangles. PR is a common side, isn't it? You understand my point? You understand or not?
Yeah, sir.
Huh. So here PS is bisecting angle PQR. Angle PQR. PS is bisecting angle PQR. PS is bisecting angle PQR. By the angle bisector. If I use angle bisector definition, that is the concept. So it is clearly says that by using this we can say that clearly angle QRS gives me what? Right angle triangle, which means 90 degrees. Clear? Strangely, what I explained now, tell me, restrain.
Sir, but you told that is this PQ is bisected to SL. Sorry, QR is bisected to SL. So PR and PR is common side, and P and P and so by SS congruency is this PQ angle triangle PQR congruent to triangle SPR.
Okay, by using that, so R, what is R here? PR is a
R
common
90
side.
degrees. 90
Since
degrees.
wait, since
Perpendicular.
it's the common side, here R is going to be what? 90 degrees. As simple.
90 degrees.
Next, can I say no? Next, can I say this one? In the figure, given figure, find the value of x. Find the value of x. How can I find the value of x here? Tell me.
Sir, 55 we can take sir, because of adjacent.
Here, BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD given. Find Okay, AB is equal to CD. Yes, of course, I know that in parallelogram opposite sides will be equal. Fine. Okay, wow. So here, what is the sum of all angles?
360 degrees, sir.
Sum of interior
360.
angles of a quadrilateral is what?
360. 360, sir.
360, sir.
So it is 50 here. So now if I take two triangles here, if I take two triangles, look at this. This triangle and this
Sir,
triangle.
Sir, angle
So
A
like,
and angle C
AB
will
is
be
equal to CD
50.
and then,
Sir,
BC is equal to.
C will be also 50,
Sir.
right?
Look
Sir,
at this
I'll
here.
tell you how I did, sir.
Yes, Bhargav.
So like AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. So we can justify that it's a parallelogram because opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal
Already
and
done.
parallel.
Exactly. So opposite angles will
So-
be equal, you says.
Yes, sir. A will
So-
be equals to C.
If angle BCD is equal to 55 degrees, then angle DBA is equal to 55 degrees. So 50 plus 55 plus X is equal to 180 degrees.
Angle
X
B,
is,
angle B.
if angle BDC is equal to 55 degrees, then angle DBA is equal to 55 degrees. Alternate interior angles.
Alternative angles. You must say that by using alternative interior angles. So this will be 55. This is 55 means how much? 105. This will be 75 degrees. Isn't it? Yes or no?
So, sir,
Yes, sir.
means the other side of B will also be 75, right?
Of course.
Yes.
See here, by using that, this will be what? 75 degrees. This will be 75 degrees now. So if it is a 75 degrees now, in parallelogram, tell me guys, opposite angles will be equal or not in parallelogram?
Yes, sir, it will be.
Yes.
Look at it, sir. Here how much? 130. Here also 130. Here also 50 now. So add all
Yes,
this.
sir.
260 plus yes, 100, 360 we are getting. So yes, that is a x value is 75 here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
X value is 75, guys. Look at this here if you are not understanding. Now look at this. Sorry, see, this is a parallelogram given here. This is what x. This is 55. By as Bhargav said that alternative interior angles equal. This is a 55. This is already given 50. So sum of all angles in a triangle gives me 180 degrees. So 100, 50 plus 55 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 75. So this is how I got x is equal to 75 here. So x value is 75. So look at this now. 75 plus 55, how much? 130. Isn't it? 130. This is 55 means this will be 75 now. This will be 50 now. If you add all this angle, that should come 360 degrees. Then only my answer is correct. If I add all the angles, I'm getting 360. So my answer is correct now. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes.
Yes. Taruni, how many questions you solved, Taruni?
Sir, I called Rahul sir, but then he's not picking his phone, sir. So that's why I'm not able to join the Google Classroom.
Oh, okay. I'll send you just drop me a message in WhatsApp. I'll send you a request. I'll send you an invitation link so that you are not in Google Classroom. Huh?
So,
No,
or
sir.
you can just share the code so she can join
Yeah,
through
yeah.
that also.
No. You are in Google Classroom. You are not you are not in Google Classroom, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just talk to this. No problem. You just drop a message to Rahul sir. If he's not answering call, drop a message so that he will send you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next question. So in the seventh one, the figure PQ is parallel to SR. Yes, of course. PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR here. Look at this. PQ is equal to PQ. This one is equal to QR. He has given these two sides will be equal. Find 2x plus y. Arey bhai, first you have to find out x plus y. First you have to find out x. This is x here. This is y here. And now tell me, hello. Here alternated angles equal. Means this will y will be what now?
40, sir.
40, sir.
Y will be 40. So this will be 40 now. If it is 40, and what is this will be? So I know that this fully will be 40, right? So
So alternate interior angle, we can say x is also 40.
where x? Hello.
If you are
This one.
taking here 40, so it will become alternate interior angle.
This we don't have x value, right? We don't have x value. How come you say that?
No, sir. I'm telling of P.
That is what I'm talking, ma. You cannot say p. We don't have any angle, right? So here s value given, right? S value 40 given. So y value will be what now? Y value this part. Y value of this part will be 40. Is that clear? So let me draw the diagram here if you're not understanding that way. So P U R S. Isn't it? This is given 40. This is given X. This is given Y fully. And that to here 40 means this part will be 40. All right. Okay. So you understand here what I'm trying to say? Here, this will be 40 means now look at this. What are the other things is going to be? So here 40 plus X. He's asking first we need to find out X value and Y value. That's all. If you find X and Y value, now then no answer is going to be very simple. Look at this. How can I find out? Guys, this will be 40 here. You understand? So now by using what? By using what I could find out Y value and X value. Come on. Very simple, very simple. Let's see who's going to give the first answer.
40 plus x is equal to 180, right?
40 plus X is equal to 180. No, 40 plus X plus Y is equal to 180.
Okay.
Huh. Hello. What happened? Aditi, tell me, Aditi, how did you solve this? Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Aditi, tell me. Very simple. Come on. You must say the answer. Let's see who is going to give the answer. Did you solve or not? Tell me one thing. Aditi, are you here? Look at this here. X value straight away. Look at this here. X value is what? See here. This is a 40 here. This is a 40 degrees. This is a 40 given. Now, what exactly? Y is going to be what? If it is 40 means this is what? Hello. Here, how now can I say 40 plus X plus, so let us say this value fully and some constant K plus, so Y is equal to 180 degrees. Is it clear?
So what is K, sir?
I just took this as K. I do not know that one. I took it as K. Clear? Is it clear? Understood? Now,
Sir, are you speaking?
Sir, x plus k plus y is equal to 140. Where we get that? Sir.
Sir, I cannot hear you.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, sir.
See here, what till what we have done. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So 40 plus x plus k plus y
Ah.
is equal to 1.
See here, this is what given, right? So if I just split it in, if I just split into two triangles, can we do like this? Can I split like this two triangles into triangle? This one. We have to find x and y values first. If I find x value and y value, look at this. So 40 degrees plus full x plus y. Okay, so we did not worry about this actually. Y, this is a full y given. Acha. So y value, this is a 40 means this will be what? The 40 means this will be what? 1 second. Oh, acha. So full y will be 60 degrees. If a full y is 60 degrees, 60 and here he has given what is this? So 40 plus 60 plus 40 plus 20 plus 180 120. So if I look at this, guys, if I take this as y as 20, look at by trial and error method, can we do? By trial and error method, guys, look at this here. By
Sir,
trial,
can we say which method?
look at this here. This is a 40 given. This is a 40 given. This is a 40. This is a y here. Is that clear? This is a y.
Sir, which method are you using?
Trial and error. Look at this here. 40 given. So here x. If I take this full angle as 120. This full angle as 120. This is however 40 given. So how much this should be? How much this should be? In this red color triangle, you understand? I took x value. I mean this x plus k.
160, 80.
So 160
minus 40 or 120 plus 40.
60. It should be 20. It should be 20 here. No, it should be 20. This one. This part should be 20.
Yes, sir.
20 plus 120. If I take 40, this has take 40. Is that clear?
Yes,
Why?
sir.
Because however he has given 40 here. How I'm just taking this as 20. So 40, 40. I have only one possibility that one second. I have only one possibility that, however, these are 40 fixed. So here 40, alternate angles are 40. So remaining part is what? 20 if I take. So here should be 20. So now what I got here? Total x will be 120 degrees. And total y will be what? This is fully y. Y is what? 20 plus 40, which gives me 60.
So how do you know that that side of the V is 20 degrees?
By using, like, trial and error. If I take, so that is the possibility. I think one thing is missing over there. I think if one more value is given, then we can find it out easily. Or else, but this is the right method to approach. One more value should be given. If one more value given like this, 1 second. If I give this 40 here, and he has given somewhere, this is 20. I think this is missing over here. This is 20 here. This part is 20. Guys, this part is 20 here. You understand my point? This point. Hello. This part is missing here. The question. The diagram is very chotu here. Let me draw the diagram somewhat big. In the question, this is missing. Let me try it here. Guys, you take this as the question as like this. Guys, can you see whatever I'm writing here? Can you
Yes,
see?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. Now I'm writing something. Can you see?
No, sir. No.
No, sir. No, sir.
Yeah, 1 second.
Drawn a trapezium.
Now can you see?
No, sir.
Now?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
now
No.
we can.
Yes, sir. No.
Okay. Look at this. This is what the diagram given. So he has given here P, Q. Here he has given 20 here. He has given here total thing is Y given. He has given 40 here. He is missing here. 20 is missing here. 20 is missing. Keep it as 20. So Y is equal to what? Here is 40 means Y is equal to here. This part. This part of the Y will be what?
40.
40. If it is 40, so it is a 40. And this will be what now? 60, 40. So ये तो कितना होगा? तो Y value तो कितना होगा? 40 plus 20. 60.
60.
Okay. So he has given this X value. All right. हाँ. मुझे बताइए अभी. Now tell me this X value is what? This X value is what? ये तो 60, this is 40. 100 तो ये तो 80 हो जाएगा फिर. ये तो 80 हो जाएगा, isn't it? Guys, this should be 80, isn't it? This fully. Alright, this one for
Sir, how is it 80?
Huh?
How is it supposed to be 80?
From triangle, sum of all angles in a triangle is 180, no?
Yes, sir. So 80 plus 40.
By using that. See here 40 plus here 60. कितना 100. तो plus ये कितना बचेगा? For making 180, this should be 80, isn't it? Yes,
No,
or
so I'm telling 60 is for the whole thing. Q is just one part of it. I mean, one side of it only counting in the entire triangle.
I didn't get you.
So this side is 20, right? That side is 40. You are including 40 as well when you're doing this. How are you taking 40 as well, sir?
No, full Y or full Y. Acha, you mean that one? Okay. Acha, you are saying in a triangle. 1 second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, in a triangle. So then that should be 20. 60 means that should be 100. That should be 120. Sorry. This is 120. Full part is 120. Is it
yes,
clear?
the full part is 120. Then how will you find
140,
the
140, not 120. Then only it comes 180.
No, so 140 plus 20 plus 40 is
oh no, 200. For making 180, so it should be
120. Yes, 120. So 120.
So X value is 120. So diagram.
No, sir, just a part of the X value is 120.
Huh?
That side is X, sir.
No, no, this
Something-
fully. I think something is missing here. It should be full X. This should be
Yeah,
full X.
sir.
It should be full X. So diagram is not clear, guys. This is fully X. 1 second diagram.
Yeah, so then only it will be correct.
This is X. Yeah, something is mistake over there. This is Y. So yes. Abhi correct hoga. X value is 120. The full value is Y. Full value
Yeah,
is
sir.
60 degrees. Then I hope it is clear. The diagram is wrong here.
Yeah, sir.
So the diagram should be like this.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear? The diagram should be
Yes,
like
sir. Clear, sir.
So these are he has given here 20. Okay. Chalo, next question. 2x plus y is how much now? 2x
Sir,
plus
no,
y is
time
what?
is 4:55.
2x plus y is what? 2 into 120 plus y. So 200, 300 is the answer. Clear? So we are not going to have quiz today.
quiz.
Quiz we'll have
Yes,
in
sir.
tomorrow's class.
Tomorrow it's science class, sir.
No,
Day after
not tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. Yes. Next
Okay,
question.
That's all, sir.
Okay. So please find it out. And any doubts, guys? Who
So you
else?
haven't done the 8th question. So you haven't done the 8th question.
Which one?
No doubt, sir.
8th one. 8th one is simple, man. 8th one you have to solve it out.
Yes, sir, fine.
So
Sir,
here,
Okay, sir.
we are having 5 minutes. We can do right quiz.
you want to solve the quiz questions.
So it's 5 minutes. 3 question does not take much time.
Okay. Now who else going to pose the questions? Who is
Sir,
going
I
to pose the questions? Huh? Ananya,
Why,
did you
sir? Sir, can you
prepare?
repeat?
Who is going to pose the questions? I mean, like,
Sir, Ananya and Shiran.
yes, Ananya. Ananya and Shreyan. Shreyan, did you prepare? He did not prepare. I know that.
Yeah, sir. 100%, sir. Done, sir.
Uh-huh. Then post your questions. Turn on your
Okay.
cameras, everyone. Post your questions.
1
Make it
minute,
fast.
sir. I will post a link.
Guys, in worksheet, if you find any question is feel bit wrong, you guys just let me know. Okay. All right. If you are
Yes,
not
sir.
able to solve
Yes,
any
sir.
question, please
Sir,
let me
who should post the link first, sir? Should I or should Shreyan?
know. You can post, no problem.
Okay, sir. Sir, I sent the link.
Yes.
Sir, can I also post my link, sir, afterwards so they can do this?
Yes, please. Now you're immediately, everyone should start writing this.
Okay, sir. First I will do Ananya, sir. That is okay.
Ananya, start the quiz. How many of them joined?
9.
Sir, only 9 have joined.
What about others? Everyone should join, guys. Who didn't join? Make it fast.
Sir, should I start the quiz?
Yes. Did you?
Yes, sir, I started it.
Make it fast. So let me stop recording here itself, this one. Guys, I'm stopping the recording. Okay, no problem. Let it be.
So someone named AN joined.
You do your job.
So
Sir,
my quiz
almost
today.
everybody is done, sir. Should I end the
Yes,
quiz?
done. Stop your
Sir,
quiz. Yes, Shreyan, so let it stop here itself. We'll have your
okay,
questions in next
okay,
class.
sir, no problem.
I think we have done
Okay.
with the time.
Yes, sir. Go on. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Thank.
Cool.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fine.
Bye, sir.
Fine. Thank you. And who got top?
Sir, first is AN.
Who is in?
Sir, somebody named AN joined, sir. I don't know who is AN.
Who is that? Okay, no problem. Second,
Sir, I am second, sir.
next, third.
Aditi is third, sir.
Okay, no problem, children. Please go through the questions, and Ananya, please pose the questions if there's someone asked you, or else you
Okay,
post these
sir.
questions in chat box now so that they can take a screenshot and go through that again. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
So we can see the question there only.
You can see means you can take a screenshot if anyone wants. You can.
Yes, sir. The questions will be given there.
There are questions as well as answers over there.
Okay, fine. Thank you, children. Then let's do that.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
I
sir.
think Piyush has joined late. Why Piyush?
Yes, sir. There's some problems. I was unable to join until the last 10 minutes or so, sir.
Yeah. Okay, fine, children. Let's retire. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye, sir.